As I was saying, I have the two monkey balls, the father and the mother. The father and the mother have 5 kids. They want me to let the 5 kids come in.
Come on here, sit by Maya.
Because the 5 kids are hungry.
Oh no, they can't eat us though.
Why? They like toes and fingers and stuff.
I know. I go bleed.
No, you're not gonna bleed. Not much. You're not gonna bleed much.
I gotta go get hurt.
They're gonna eat you.
Why?
Eat your toes.
Why? I go hurt. Why?
It might hurt. It might hurt a little bit.
I don't want to get hurt.
Well, why can't I let the 5 kids come in?
Because I don't like them.
What do you mean you don't like them?
Because they ugly.
They're not ugly.
Oh, it's opening.
Yeah, because they're ready. You know, I got to go outside and get the kids and bring them in because they want to. They need to eat.
You can't let them eat us.
Why can't I let them eat you?
Because I got bones in here. They bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
You got bones.
They like bones.
I know. They don't like bones.
They do like bones.
I have to go to the doctor though.
For what?
To get these bones out of here.
What bones?
In here.
I know, but the little, but they like bones. You know, the monkey balls like bones.
I was trying to get it out, but I can't get my bones.
Well, can I let the monkey balls in? The 5 kids?
Yeah, no. Yeah, no, let them bite us.
Well, that's what they got to do because they got to eat.
They got to eat. You can't let them eat us.
What else they going to eat then, Kimaya?
They can eat, they like them chips because it's good.
Chips? They don't like chips.
They like toes.
They like toes.
No. Don't let them eat it though.
Why? They're knocking on the door.
I'll go over there.
For what?
I'll go back over there to the house.
You better, girl. You better stop going over there.
I gotta let them in.
Interview's over.
Hurry up.
So